Field Agent is the side hustle app that I make by far the most money with, and in this video I wore my Meta glasses, so I'm going to give you a POV of what it's like doing one of these gigs, if it's worth it. This one only paid $3, but it took like 2 or 3 minutes, so let's get to the gig. So I love doing gigs at Aldi's. There's always ample parking. You don't have to park too far. And it's a small store. They don't have every different brand of every item. So this one was for salty snacks and water. So a little bit random, but super easy. The same gig I did at Sam's Club took me like 20 minutes. But at Aldi's, since it's such a small store, it's not going to go that far. It's not going to take that long at all. So now I'm walking to the aisle. The first one is going to be for the salty snacks. So it was really easy to find in this store because it was so small. I just love Aldi's. So here at the end was where it started with the salty snacks. There was chips and pretzels and stuff. So now you got to take a nice straight clear picture of each 4-foot section. So there was little breaks in the shelf that represented the 4-foot section, so it was easy to know what to do. And as you could tell, I'm taking these pictures as I'm walking. I'm going super fast. It may seem like you have to take a lot of pictures, but the pictures go just as fast as walking down the aisle if you know how to do it right. I do like a side step and basically just scan the aisle and then press the picture button with my phone, do a quick spin. Now I'm on the other side, so I'm going to get the salty snacks on this side. There was someone in my way. Try not to do these when the store's super busy, because then there's going to be people in your way, and if you get people in your photo that are blocking the aisles, you could get your gig denied, which is not good. So now I am going, and then this was the end of like the pretzel section. After this, it asked you if there was a display, so now I'm walking to the end caps. There was no displays. I always check them. No displays. And then now I am going to the next question. So I look down at my phone. Next question is going to be water. And as you can tell, I'm moving. I'm not stopping. I'm going. I want to get in and out so I could do as many of these as possible in my time allowed for work, so I could actually make a decent hourly wage of like $25 to $30 an hour doing this. So there was a couple of cases of water. Now the last question is going to be a freestanding display. So any type of display that's not an end cap that they didn't ask for is fair game. So as I'm walking out of the store, I'm not wasting any time. Boom, we got some wrapping paper. Take the picture as we're walking, and that's it. Back to the car, on to the next gig. So these ones could take a while, but this was not one of them. This one was super fast and easy. So click the link down below to sign up for Field Agent and start making money today.